Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another Clutch Media video. Now this one's going to be a challenge, but not like any other challenge you've seen. It's going to be a challenge for us, because today we are going to be doing an entire clutch replacement on my 1990 BMW 325 IS race car. None of us have ever changed a clutch. In fact, none of us are even certified mechanics, so we're really gonna have to try our best and really take on this challenge, because this isn't something we can mess up. So stay tuned to see how it goes.
What are you doing?
I know what to do, I'm just...
So you're watching a YouTube video on how to do it?
No, I know what to do.
What was that guy talking to
So
you?
first of all, I mean, obviously I know, we're just gonna start by draining transmission fluid, be stupid not to. And by the end, we'll get some nice new fluid up in there.
Are you sure?
Yeah, for sure.
Do you want gloves?
Nope. Real mechanics don't use gloves.
Ah!
Holy goop! It's normal to see metal, you know, and that's why it's there. It's a magnet to collect the metal.
Why is there metal in your transmission?
Well, it's made of metal, so obviously some shavings come off. It's totally fine, totally normal. My transmission would be great.
Okay.
I'm a mechanic.
Yeah, totally fine.
It smells like it's burning.
No. Ladies and gentlemen, it's day 2. We got a lot of work to get done, so let's just go and get right into it.
Oh!
Let's go, baby.
Look at that magic.
Go fit!
What's that? Oh wait,
It's definitely coming off.
you sure?
Yeah.
Can you feel the
I feel it
bolt?
spinning, yeah.
Keep going.
Yes. It's out, baby!
Yes! You want me to keep going?
Yeah.
Alright.
300 pounds, I think. How heavy is it? How much do you think?
I don't know. You tell me.
That's not even that much. 70 pounds?
Probably like 700. But,
Yeah. We're just strong. We're mechanics.
yeah. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, the farm mechanics did it in a whopping 30 minutes. Now it's time to take his burnt clutch out.
Hey! Hey! What is that? Is that tire shine? Can't you see I'm working here?
Look, now you're all waxed up. Good to go. Look at that clean pit crew shirt. Oh, shoot.
What's going on, dude?
It's cleaning you up.
What are you cleaning up?
Look.
What's the problem?
What you doing over here?
Difficult grime calls for strong solutions. So, my dad used to call this the mix of the holy cow. We're gonna try it out.
What?
California calls that cancer. I call it specialty sauce. It looks like a chocolate milkshake in here, an Oreo milkshake.
You should take a lick. Hey, get it clutched? Clutch is out. Time to take the flywheel out.
Oh, I almost died. Flywheel, baby! Let's go for a flight. Smells like oil.
Oh, yeah, take a whiff of that. Take a whiff.
Oh!
day 3 more like day 1. This is proof that 2 farm boys and a farm boy's grandpa can change a transmission, flywheel, and clutch in less than 2 hours. Everything from start to finish. Everything has start to finish done in 2 hours.
Yep.
Record timing. We pulled out the transmission. We put the transmission in by lifting it. No transmission jack needed. Everything is done, and I'm in shock.
It looks great.
It does. Yanni, you ready to go rip your car?
Let's go do it.
Let's do it.
We're riding down the boulevard. We're riding through the dark night. We're half a tank and empty heart. Pretending we're in love, but it's never enough. Nah, as the silence fills the lonely air. Oh, how did we get here now, babe? We see a storm is closing in. Pretending we scared. Don't say a word while we dance with the devil. You brought a fire to a world so cold. We're out of time on a highway to never. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Don't say a
Oh my god, those deer are gonna hit him. Oh, holy. Deer almost just took out the BMW. Yo. Those deer almost just